Nestled on the breathtaking cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, Sorrento is a picturesque town in southern Italy, known for its stunning views, vibrant culture, and rich history. Overlooking the Bay of Naples, Sorrento offers visitors a unique blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and modern comforts. This comprehensive travel guide will take you through 13 must-see attractions and tourist spots, ensuring you experience the very essence of this enchanting town. Sorrento, with its lemon-scented streets and panoramic views of the Mediterranean, has long been a beloved destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. The town's strategic location makes it an excellent base for exploring the Amalfi Coast, Capri, and Naples. Sorrento's charm lies in its narrow, winding streets, bustling piazzas, and friendly locals. Whether you're savoring the local cuisine, wandering through historic sites, or simply soaking up the sun, Sorrento offers an unforgettable Italian experience. 1. Piazza Tasso. At the heart of Sorrento lies Piazza Tasso, the town's main square, and a vibrant hub of activity. Named after the famous poet Torquato Tasso, this bustling piazza is surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and shops. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a leisurely coffee while watching the world go by. The piazza is also home to the Church of Santa Maria del Carmine, with its striking baroque facade. As the evening sets in, the square comes alive with lights and laughter, offering a quintessential Italian atmosphere that's both lively and welcoming. 2. Marina Grande. For a taste of authentic Sorrentine life, head to Marina Grande, the town's historic fishing village. This charming harbor is lined with colorful buildings, seafood restaurants, and fishing boats bobbing in the water. The narrow streets and waterfront promenade offer a glimpse into Sorrento's maritime heritage. Freshly caught seafood is a highlight here, with many restaurants serving up local specialties such as calamari and anchovies. The relaxed vibe and scenic beauty of Marina Grande make it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. 3. Museo Correale di Terranova. Art and history enthusiasts will find a treasure trove of exhibits at the Museo Correale di Terranova. Housed in an 18th century villa, this museum showcases a diverse collection of artifacts, including Neapolitan paintings, decorative arts, and archaeological finds. The museum's beautiful gardens, with their stunning views of the Bay of Naples, are perfect for a leisurely stroll. The Museo Correale provides a fascinating insight into the region's cultural heritage, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in the arts and history of Sorrento. 4. Basilica di Sant'Antonino. The Basilica di Sant'Antonino is dedicated to Sorrento's patron saint, Saint Antoninus. This 11th century church is renowned for its Romanesque architecture and the relics of the saint, which are housed in a crypt beneath the main altar. The basilica's interior is adorned with beautiful frescoes and marble statues, creating a serene and reverent atmosphere. A visit to the Basilica di Sant'Antonino offers a glimpse into Sorrento's religious traditions and its deep-rooted spiritual history. 5. Vallone dei Mulini. One of Sorrento's most intriguing sites is the Vallone dei Mulini, or Valley of the Mills. This hidden gem is a deep ravine that houses the ruins of ancient mills, dating back to the 13th century. The mills were once used for grinding wheat and producing paper. Today, the overgrown ruins create an eerie yet captivating scene, with lush vegetation and crumbling stone structures. The valley is a testament to Sorrento's industrial past and provides a unique contrast to the town's more polished attractions. 6. Villa Comunale. For panoramic views of the Bay of Naples and Mount Vesuvius, visit the Villa Comunale, Sorrento's main public park. This beautifully landscaped garden offers a peaceful retreat with its shaded pathways, vibrant flowers, and charming benches. The park's terrace provides one of the best vantage points in Sorrento, especially at sunset. It's an ideal spot for a leisurely afternoon, where you can relax, read a book, or simply take in the stunning scenery. 7. Sedile Dominova. Step back in time with a visit to the Sedile Dominova, a historic meeting place dating back to the 14th century. This unique structure served as a seat of local government and a social club for the town's nobility. The building's most distinctive feature is its loggia, adorned with beautiful frescoes and a tiled dome. Today, the Sedile Dominova remains a symbol of Sorrento's rich history and is often used for exhibitions and cultural events. 8. Cloister of San Francesco. The **Cloister of San Francesco is a tranquil oasis in the heart of Sorrento. This 14th century monastery is known for its beautiful architecture, with an enchanting courtyard surrounded by arches and columns. The cloister is a popular venue for weddings and concerts, thanks to its serene atmosphere and picturesque setting. Adjacent to the cloister is the Church of San Francesco, which features a stunning baroque interior. The combination of history, architecture, and peaceful gardens makes the Cloister of San Francesco a must-see. 9. Bagni della Regina Giovanna. For a unique swimming experience, head to the Bagni della Regina Giovanna, a natural swimming pool formed by a limestone arch. Legend has it that this secluded spot was once a favorite bathing place of Queen Giovanna of Naples. The crystal-clear waters and rocky cliffs create a magical setting, perfect for a refreshing dip or a quiet moment of reflection. The site also offers stunning views of the sea and the surrounding coastline, making it a favorite among both locals and tourists. 10. Limoncello Tasting. No visit to Sorrento would be complete without sampling the local limoncello, a delicious lemon liqueur made from the region's famous lemons. Many local shops and distilleries offer limoncello tasting, where you can learn about the production process and enjoy a tasting of this zesty drink. The town's lemons are renowned for their size and flavor, and limoncello is the perfect way to capture the essence of Sorrento. Be sure to bring a bottle home as a souvenir of your trip. 11. Marina Piccola. Marina Piccola is another charming harbor in Sorrento, known for its picturesque setting and vibrant atmosphere. The harbor is a popular spot for boat tours and ferries to nearby destinations like Capri and Naples. The waterfront is lined with cafes and restaurants, offering stunning views of the sea and the bustling marina. Marina Piccola is the perfect place to enjoy a leisurely meal or simply watch the boats come and go, soaking up the coastal ambiance. 12. Cooking classes. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in Sorrento's culture is by taking part in cooking classes. Many local chefs offer classes where you can learn to prepare traditional Italian dishes, from fresh pasta to pizza, and of course, limoncello. These hands-on experiences provide a deeper understanding of the local cuisine and the opportunity to bring a taste of Sorrento back to your own kitchen. Plus, you'll get to enjoy a delicious meal that you've prepared yourself, making it a memorable part of your trip. 13. Punta Campanella. For those who enjoy hiking and breathtaking views, a visit to Punta Campanella is a must. This nature reserve at the tip of the Sorrento Peninsula offers some of the most spectacular panoramas in the region. The hike to the Punta Campanella lighthouse is relatively easy and takes you through lush Mediterranean vegetation with stunning views of the sea and the island of Capri. Along the way, you'll encounter ancient ruins, including a Roman villa and a medieval watchtower, adding a touch of history to your outdoor adventure. The serene and untouched beauty of Punta Campanella makes it a perfect escape for nature lovers and photographers alike. Sorrento is a town that captivates with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the historic streets of Marina Grande to the tranquil beauty of the Cloister of San Francesco, each attraction offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Sorrento. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, savoring local delicacies, or simply relaxing by the sea, Sorrento promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing